Hey YouTube, real quick short here. I mentioned this in a video before, but I just want to get it out there by itself that if you're new to the hobby and you want to get going on something, but you really don't have the money to go spend on track and rolling stock and power packs and yada yada yada, um, I got some stuff that I can help you out with. I've got some track. I've got some freight cars. I've got at least one engine and see some scenery stuff, some buildings that I was going to donate to a local charity. But instead, if you send me an email at blackrockmohawk at icloud.com and tell me a little bit about what's going on, tell me how much space you got. This will be HO stuff. That's all I got. So there's a limitation there, I guess, in a little bit. But if you really need help, you really need, somebody to help kickstart, without you going out and spending hundreds of dollars for track and some freight cars and stuff. Now, the stuff is, it's the run of the mill stuff. It's not the good stuff, but it's a great way to get started. If you're really itching to get into the hobby, maybe I can help you. And maybe I can help a couple people, depending on what's all going on. But I'm not doing this for a gimmick. I'm not doing this to attract attention. I just want to help somebody get in this hobby. It's gotten very expensive um, to the point where it's almost breaking people. Everything is so dang expensive right now in this hobby. So I've got some different kind of track, and we'll see what happens. But send me an email, blackrockmohawk at icloud.com. Tell me a little bit about what you're doing. My name is Brent, and we'll talk. Thanks. Appreciate you, YouTubers. Bye.